Well, so what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, today we're going to unbox the Apple Watch Series 3 white color, and let's get started. And here's the unboxing knife, and let's open it. And I ordered this from Flipkart. If you want to order it, the link is in the description, the Best Buy link. You can buy this, you can grab the deal. This is a good watch, and you can see it is in the package. And here is the white color box of Apple Watch as usual, and you can see the seal. It is totally sealed, and let's see. You can see now. Let me check, and now let's open the box. First, I'll give you a simple review of the box only. You can read if you want to, and here is the MRP. You can see maximum retail price and 32, I think, and let's see, it is of 32,000. And let's open it. Let me check, and the best place from where to open it, and let me open it, guys. And now I don't think from here, yes, I think yes. It's not opening, and now it's open. You can see. So guys, let's simply open it, and we will check out how is the watch, and I'll give you a small review and how to set up your watch. And let's open, guys. This is my first Apple Watch because I use Samsung Gear S3 and Samsung Gear Sport. I don't like Apple Watches. I bought this because people were saying like Apple Watch was good, and I wanted to see how is the Apple Watch, and that's why I bought it. So guys, apart from these things, let's open the box, and you can see here is the box, and let's see what's inside. It's empty, and now let me check out. Let's open this, and the user manual. We get a user manual, the extra straps, and the charger. The small strap if your hand is small. I don't think I don't require a small band. And you can see, let me give you a short review of this Apple Watch. And guys, here is the user manual, and now let's check out what is in there. I think there is the strap, and here is the strap and the steps how to set it up, and here's the charger, white color charger. I'll open it at the end of the video. You can see, you can watch till the end if you want to buy this. This will be a very informational video, and you can see the strap for the Apple Watch. So guys, you can also order a separate watch for the Apple Watch if you want to. And you can see, if you want to order red, blue, green, you can order any strap for your Apple Watch. And now let's keep it back. So guys, the Apple Watch comes in 3 colors, I think, the black, white, and the golden. I think the pink is also there. No, I don't think. And you can see, if you want to order a sports strap, then you can also order. I'll get that. And you can see. So guys, Apple Watch gives a premium feel, and the Samsung one gives like a sporty feel. If you want to buy for like a sporty feel, then you can go for Apple Watch Nike, or then the Samsung watch. And you can see, let's check out the Apple Watch now. Let me take it out, and here is it. So premium feel and good looking. It was not that cheap as I thought in front of the Samsung watch. As Technical Guruji said that Apple Watch is trash. It is not. Technical Guruji, it is not trash. It is good, but it depends on people to people. You can see now. Let's check out the plastic, and now I'll wear it too and show you. And you can see many holes for you, and the pulse rate sensor, heart rate, you can say. And you can see. So guys, the best color I like is the white one. The black one, it's kind of dull. And you can see, you can take it for your size, guys. You can get two variants, 38 and 42. You must go for 42 because 38 was like totally trash. You can't click anything on it. If your hand is small, then you can also go for 42 You can see this is the 42 one and it's good on my hand. My hand is not that big, as you can see. It's still good, premium watch. And now let's see. You can see the box, plastic only. And now you can see, let's repack it. And designed by Apple in California, as usual on every iPhone, iPad and Apple Watch, AirPods. So guys, you can see Apple Watch look good. And you can see, now let's set it up. Put it on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera, align it with the viewfinder below, and now let's align it. Update your Apple Watch. Now let's update it, guys. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and it's updating. Like and subscribe. Also click the bell icon and you can see my watch is updating. And if you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. Bye bye.